on art and craft. Today we are going to make home decor with few of these things. First, we are going to draw a girl. You can draw any cartoon character or anything in your imagination. We have also used some decorative cloths. So first, let's make a wing in the foam rubber sheet that we have taken. We are going to cut the shape that we have marked. So we have cut the shapes and this is how it looks like.
The wings is also ready now.
Okay, now we are going to place the decoration clothing on the skirt to look like. We are going to stapler the decoration cloth like this. Now we will cut the excess. So this is how the first layer looks like. So let's go on and attach the second layer. Now we are going to do the third layer. Okay, so we have totally 5 layers. If your shape is more bigger, you could even get more than 5 layers. So the skirt layer, which is so puffy, is ready. Now let's slowly move on to the
Top.
Yeah. We have done it layer by layer. So now I have cut the A4 sheet in the same size of this cardboard circle. Let's draw and stick it. Colored the girl's face. Now let's glue it to the circle that we have made. Now let's stick the foam rubber sheet that we have cut for the shirt.
Let the face dry.
Let the shirt dry. Foam sheet has dried. Now let's place more foam sheet. This one is much more thicker than the other one. So let's stick it. Okay. Now let's stick some beads. part of the shirt is ready. Now cut the both ends of the earbud. We are going to use this to connect. I am gluing inside this in the center part. Same to the head. Now we have fixed the head to the neck. Now let's cut the circle face to make it look like an oval face. So now same way we have did the hands just like the face. Now let's stick it. Second hand. Okay. We have decorated this wings with the stones that white stones. So now let's stick it. Now we have stuck the wings to it. Now let's wait till it gets dry. So meanwhile, let's take the hair. So this is the thick strand of wool. We have to remove just one strand. See,
Like this one.
Okay. We are going to use this for the hair like this. For the stand, let's take the same pink foam rubber sheet that we have used before and fold it like this. And now let's insert a cardboard end for the stand so that it could stand steadily, and we can cut the excess now. So let's stapler in the corners. For the stand, I have took this plastic lid. Now to cover the plastic lid, we have cut in the glittery blue foam rubber sheet the same circle. Now we have to stick it. Spread it evenly. Stick the foam rubber sheet. When this dries, meanwhile, we can make the leg for the doll that we have made. Take the sticks, and we have took 2 sticks. I have already stuck one stick inside here. I'm going to stick the second stick. Okay. So let's wait until the legs dry.
Now we are taking an yellow color foam to stick it in all the end sides. After gluing, we can put all the staplers in the ends.
Now let's stick the hair. We have to glue in the cardboard. Okay, now let's insert the thread in.
fixing the hair. This is how it looks.
See, Lavender is so beautiful. She's very pretty. We have decorated our fairy more. She came to my house and she does magic. Her pet Pinky is also with her. Same way you can also do more fairies like this and have fun. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to like,
Subscribe and share this video.